Ngayon po mga kaibigan, pagkatapos ng napakasaya at talagang exciting na hike and adventure na ginawa namin ngayon sa Wadi Lajab, sa may lower stream ako pumunta na kasi sa upper stream. I visited that when I also came here 2 years ago. I was able to visit only the upper stream. And for this time, I visited now the lower stream. But before I give you anything, by the way, to the right side, you see the veranda. This is where you can find the washroom and dressing area. Probably after enjoying the hike and the adventure inside the Wadi Lajab, of course, you want to leave the place with yourself fixed properly. And this is where you can find the washroom and the dressing room, especially for the ladies, to my right side. So, panoorin nyo ang video hanggang sa katapusan kasi ipapakita ko sa inyo ang Wadi Lajab Canyon na inyong dadaanan pagpunta nyo sa Wadi Lajab. Gusto kong gawin ang video na ito kaya nakatayo ako dito sa backtrack ngayon, and there are 3 of us here at the backtrack. My guides, of course, my captain, Mr. Fuad Kubayshi, and another one, the first officer. Because he is also a guide, and in 2 weeks from now, he will get his license as official tour guide here in the province of Jisan, Mr. Osama. So I'm standing here at the backtrack doing the shots because I really wanted to give you the exact appearance, how is it like, the way it looks like, the Wadi Lajab Canyon, so that you will have the idea how beautiful the place that you will be driving on the day that you visit Wadi Lajab. So from here, we will end up this video the moment we get to the main road. Again, Wadi Lajab, I think this belongs to the town of Alreth, and this is in the village of Katwat Al Ain. From the main road coming to Wadi Lajab hiking and adventure area, the distance is more or less 1.5 kilometers. And if ever, just in case you are asking, you are wondering how far Wadi Lajab from the city of Jisan, Wadi Lajab is more or less 140 or 160. Okay, let's just say from 140 to 160 kilometers away from the city of Jisan, and it will take you 2 hours to 2.5 hours enjoying ride coming to Wadi Lajab. And on the way to Wadi Lajab, by the way, you will never get bored because along the way you will be looking at the beautiful landscapes of mountains, the scenic sites of the mountain sides of Jisan province. And Wadi Lajab, by the way, this is in between 3 mountain ranges. It looks like Wadi Lajab is actually the boundary of the 3 mountain ranges here in the province of Jisan. One is the Jabal Al-Gahar, and then Black Mountain, and the other mountain range is Mount Siagra. And Mount Siagra is right at the boundary between the province of Jisan and the province of Aser. Siguro nga ang mas maraming karamihan sa lugar na sakop ng Mount Siagra ay nakapasok na sa Aser province. Aser province is the province of Saudi Arabia where the city of Abha belongs, and the capital city. So now, I want you to look at the formation of rocks here at the Wadi Lajab Canyon. Tingnan nyo po ito, ang ganda ng lugar, at nakikita nyo ang tubig na dumadaloy sa ibabaw mismo ng access road. Ano bang tawag dito? Canyon Road? But all I can say, this is the passageway, the only way that you will be passing through from the main road going inside Wadi Lajab on the day that you will explore Wadi Lajab. So maganda, dito pa lang mag-i-enjoy na kayo at mapapawaw na kayo sa ganda ng lugar. This is a canyon with 2 rock walls, and you are driving in between the 2 rock walls na matataas po siya, mga more than 100 feet po ang height ng left and right side rock walls ng Wadi Lajab. At sa bawat ingay na iyong gagawin, talagang makikita, maririnig nyo na ano siya, nag-e-echo. Ano bang Tagalog ng echo? Echo. Sa amin kasi sa Bicol, aniningal. Sa Tagalog, ano nga ba ang echo? Nakalimutan ko lang. Pero tingnan nyo po, talagang maaaliw kayo papasok pa lang ng Wadi Lajab kasi karamihan sa atin, kagaya ko, first time ko talaga nung una akong pumunta rito. That was 2001. That was my first time also to ride a car passing through the canyon. That was 2021. That was the year I visited Jisan, and that was the first time that I visited Wadi Lajab because now this is my second time to be here. So panoorin nyo po ang video hanggang sa katapusan. Magtatapos tayo ng aking video pagdating namin doon sa may daan na mismo, yung main road going to Katwat Al-Ain village proper and going back to the city of Jisan. Also going back to the Black Mountain. So ang nakikita nyo, ang passageway niya, merong portion na makipot talaga. Kung may makakasalubong kayo, kailangan yung tumigil, maghanap ng space na maihihinto nyo muna ang sasakyan pansamantala para bigyang daan yung makakasalubong nyo. Ang system dito, ang style dito, pag nakita ng isang sasakyan kung sa lugar niya ang merong espasyo na pwede siyang gumilid, gigilid siya at pagbibigyan niya ang kanyang kasalubong. Tulad nito, may makakasalubong kami, sa tingin ko pa lang mula dito, siya na ang magbibigay daan sa amin. Ayan nga, gigilid na siya para mapadaan kami. May mga portion na ganoon, pero meron namang portion na pwedeng magsalubong ang dalawang sasakyan. Tulad nito, makipot ito, hindi talaga rito pwedeng magsalubong ang dalawang sasakyan. Pero talagang mamamangha kayo, katulad ko noong una kong makita ang lugar na ito, manghang-mangha talaga ako. And there is another car waiting for us to pass through. And then pag nakalampas na kami, saka siya aabante. Thank you so much. Mabait ang driver. At ganyan talaga kinakailangang magbigayan sa mga lugar na ganito. Talagang gagamitin natin ang ating pagiging totoong tao. Yan, pagmamahal sa kapwa. So here you are enjoying the beautiful sights, the scenic landscapes, the amazing rock formations, and of course, you are also seeing the amazing human beings. As a human being, makikita nyo ang puso ng tao talagang nagmamalasakit sa kapwa. So malapit na tayo sa may main road. Yang gusaling bughaw na nakikita nyo, katabi niyan ang main parking area. Just in case na pupunta kayo rito na masyadong mababa ang clearance ng sasakyan nyo, pwede nyong igarahe dyan. Tapos kung walang tutulong sa inyo dyan sa may parking area na magdala sa inyo papasok sa Wadi Lajab, pwede nyo ring lakarin kasi ang layo pala nito, galing dito sa main road, going to Wadi Lajab hiking area is more or less 1.5 kilometers lang naman. So kayang-kayang lakarin, medyo matagal-tagal nga. At sa paglalakad nyo, pwede pa kayong mag-picture-picture pag may nakita kayong magandang posisyon na maging background ng iyong picture o kaya video. Maganda rin. So I also recommend actually walking from the main road, going inside Wadi Lajab, walking under the rock canyon of Wadi Lajab Canyon. Yan, paulit-ulit. Canyon, canyon, canyon. All right, now we are here. This is finally the main road. To the left side, if you are turning left, it's going to, that's the way going to the village proper of Katwat Al-Ain. And to the right, going back to the city of Jisan.